What's up YouTube, Shakai the Gun Guy here, and this video is for all of my Glock owners. Yes, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your Glock. And if you could personally do me a favor and like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, I would definitely appreciate it, and that definitely gives me a little bit more power to put out more videos like this. So without further ado, let's get into the video. What's up you guys? I'm going to be showing you a quick video of how to clean your Glock 19. Now this is my Glock 43. I'm just going to be showing you guys all the parts for this. So you have your frame, you have your recoil spring, you have your barrel, you have your slide, and you have your mag. That's pretty much all the parts to your Glock. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to get this Glock to be like this Glock. Alrighty, so first what you want to do is take out your mag. Alright, then you want to point it in the safe direction and make sure that it is nothing in the chamber. As you guys can see, mine is completely unloaded. Alrighty, now this is the most important step. Make sure you do not forget to do this. And while you're doing this, make sure you're doing this in the safest way possible. Pointing it in the safe direction to make sure that the gun is unloaded. But yeah, make sure you guys are doing whatever it is that you need to do to make sure that you're safe with your firearm, okay? So once that's all checked, I'm gonna go ahead, point it in a safe direction, pull the trigger. All right, I'm gonna move my barrel back just slightly, and you have two buttons. You have a button right here, and you have a button right here. Just gonna slide your barrel back a little bit, press those two buttons, and you're good to go. Alright, now your next step is to take out your recoil spring and also take out your barrel. And all you're left is with your slide. First things first, you want to get whatever you use to clean this and just give this a quick wiping. Nice wiping. Alright, next you want to get your brush. Now I have a fancy brush that's pretty much a gun brush, but you can use like a toothbrush or anything you like. Alright, and this is just to get the spots that I can't get with the sock or the patches or whatever. So you just want to brush, especially in this area right here. You're gonna brush, 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 brush. Make sure you're getting into those grooves. Get down in the gun barrel as well, or where the barrel will be. And once you're satisfied with that, just gonna wipe it again. Give it a nice wiping. Make sure you're getting all that stuff up. Alright, now what I do from here, I use my oil. Now I have some Hoppe's gun oil. Alright. Now I put some in the grooves, like right in this area where it meets the polymer. So I'm gonna put some oil in there. Not too much, but not too little. These guns really run well, so you don't have to put too much. And I'm gonna get my patch. And clean up the access. And you can feel free to wipe the excess around your gun. All right, now that's good to go. Next, what you want to do is grab your recoil spring, grab your brush, run your brush through it a couple times. All right, now you just want to give it a nice wiping. Now, you get patch, put some oil on it, grab your recoil spring, and just give it a nice wiping. All right, that's done. Now, you want to grab your barrel. First, I have something to hold one of my patches. So you just want to take one of your patches, get that thing in here, as you can see, and now you just want to put a little bit of solvent in there. So I'm just dip this in the solvent, get that in there, and run this through my barrel. You want to make sure you're getting all of that gunk out of there. All right, now once you've done that, you want to grab another patch, clean patch, all right, now you just want to get all that solvent and leftover grime from in there. So, just gonna clean that so you see that there's no more in there and you're good to go. Lastly, you're gonna take this out of here, grab your oil, put some of that on a patch. All right, put that patch on here and run that through your barrel. All right, and you can also just rub that around the outer sides of your barrel, just like that. All right, so now that's done. Last but not least, you'll want to get your frame. So what I'm going to do is quickly grab my sock and just wipe all in here. Now your frame doesn't get too dirty, so you don't necessarily have to, you know, give this the most time. Just until you see it is as clean, and you're good to go. All right, so I gave that a nice wiping there. So next, I want to grab some oil, put that on here, and just wipe. Get in there as much as you can. Alrighty, now what I'm going to do is put some oil inside the grooves here, right here, going along the gun. That's because that's where the slide meets the polymer. So you just want to make sure that you have that lubricated as much as possible. So I'll just take my lube, just pretty much go around it, get all in there. Just smear it. On the other side, do the same thing. And you smear it. Like I said, if you have a little on your finger, why not put it on your slide or whatever part you haven't gotten to. And once you've done that, you're good to go. So you can grab your barrel and your slide back in there, and you just want to make sure that this is pointed downward. All right, now you grab your recoil spring, make sure the black part is facing the same way as the barrel is facing outward, like that. So you just want to put that in the hole, push it forward, and lock it onto your barrel here. Right there, right in this area. Now, all you want to do, line it up with the grooves right here. Good to go. And that's how you clean your Glock. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If I was unclear about a certain step, I'm definitely willing to help you out. But this is pretty much how you clean your Glock, quick and easy. I appreciate you for watching. Please hit that like button, that subscribe button, and I'll bring you more helpful videos. Thank you, YouTube, and have a good day.